Hey there, what's up guys? It's Fergal here and thanks for checking out my review. Now before we get started with the review, if you would like me to build your entire internet marketing business for you and stay with you until you get $10,000 per month, then be sure to check out the first link in the description. Now back to the review. So when you pick up this product, you're going to get my 4 awesome bonuses delivered to you automatically. Bonus number 1 is I'm going to show you how I get 250,000 email subscribers every single Friday. This isn't a technique, it's not a method. I literally show you where to go, how to pick them up, and then I show you how to mail them from a self-hosted autoresponder that costs between $3 and $12 per month. Now bonus number 2 is I'm going to show you my free traffic method that I'm using right now in 2023 to absolutely flood my offers, my blogs and my sites with traffic. Bonus number 3 is I'm going to show you how to rank all of your YouTube videos first for your selected keyword on YouTube so that you can get a ton of traffic from YouTube to your offers. And bonus number 4 is I'm going to give you access to promote my own product, Empire, and I'm going to give you 100% commission throughout the funnel so that you can literally promote it as your own product. So with that said, let's jump over and see what this product is all about. But before we do that, don't forget, if you would like me to build your entire internet marketing business for you and stay with you until you get to $10,000 per month, then you're going to want to check out the first link in the description as well. And if you want to pick up this product that I'm reviewing, then you want to check out the second link in the description.
Hey there, and welcome to this demo of RocketClips. Now, RocketClips allows you to upload any video, any long video, and it automatically chops it into multiple high engaged videos for you, including subtitles and more. It works really simple. So let's say you want to upload a video from YouTube. Let's say we take this video, we copy the URL and we paste it inside of RocketClips. Now RocketClips automatically detects the video here, and from here you can change the name of the video and you can set the language, and you can choose from all the available languages in the list here. But we recommend you to set this to auto. From here you can also choose your custom preset, and that's how your subtitles will be displayed. Now let's click on Get Clips in one click. Now at this moment, RocketClips will analyze your video and it will get the best clips out of your video. Now that RocketClips has analyzed the video, you can see these are the clips that have been created. In this case, there are 4 clips that have been created by RocketClips. All of them have a virality score here at the right side. So when we go to the second one, you can see this one is 90 out of 100. You can see here this one is 88. Next one is 85. And also on this screen, you can watch the different videos.
Today I get to interview Elma.
So here you can also see the subtitles, which we can change later as well. And we can see a description here of the video. So let's say we take the second video here and we click on edit. Now on this screen, we can edit different parts of the video. Now, first of all, let's say you find this script a little bit too short and you want to have a longer video. Let's click on expand here. And from here, we can set a beginning point, a start time, and we want to have an end time here. So let's save this. And now you can see that the script is now expanded. So from here we can play the video.
And now we've expanded in the last year to having a hair salon as well.
So we can see here that it uses these kind of subtitles. So at the top here we have the design bar where we can add different kind of elements. But before we dive into this, let's first modify our video. So we basically go from the left to the right here by first making our changes here and then the design progress and audio wave. So when we play the video
started
here,
with me actually just shadowing the girl that used to own the salon.
You can see that in this scene there are 2 persons. Now RocketClips automatically detected those and created 2 scenes. Now you can change this layout here as well. You simply select the block that you'd like to change, click on change layout, And from here, you can choose a letterbox, which means that it's going to use the full video. Or you could do a single, which means you can highlight one specific person. And by the way, you can also change this. So you can select the video and you can move this around to show the part of the video that you'd like to have in your short. Next option is 2 people, as you can see here. And also you can move these elements. So let's say you want to move her a little bit down here. You can do that as well. You can rescale each part of the video here. There you go. When you have multiple speakers, 3 speakers or 4, you can select them in here as well. In this case, let's go for 2 speakers. So each block that we select here, we can modify. So let's say we want to move this to a single one. The next block, we do a 2 again. This one, we have a single one. And let's change this one to a letterbox. Now, once we're happy with the result, we go to the design tab here. From here, you could set all different kind of settings for your subtitles. Now, first, let's create a bigger font here. So let's make this font bigger so that I can show it better to you. So when we play the video,
And then I moved on to other.
you can see we made it really big here. So let's move from here to the top. The first thing that you can choose is the custom presets here, or you can log your current settings. Next option is emojis. So this allows you that RocketClips automatically plays emojis on top of your videos. You can choose the size here as well. And it will pick emojis based on your content. In this next screen here, you could set the text mode here to fill or to single. So when we choose fill here, we have some extra options here, like 1, 2, 3, or 4. So 2 means you have 2 lines. 3 means you have 3 lines, and it also depends on the font size. So the bigger it is, you cannot have multiple. Let's say we make the font smaller here. You can see it becomes 3 lines. Or you could do 4 lines as well. I prefer 1 line and to have a big font like this. Then the next part is the word animation. Now, here you can see that all the words are visible. You can also choose to hide words. And let me play the video so you see what this means.
Things, and when she was ready to let it go, I just kind of fell
So you can see now the words are not visible.
into that
You see that?
spot.
So the next word is not visible. But you can also choose to reveal words. And
It did.
as you can see here, the next word here still needs to be revealed. It will look like this.
Definitely didn't come easy, and I'm sure we'll dive into
So let us make the font a little bit smaller here so you get a better idea.
some more of those. I'm Elma. I own, obviously, Peanut Beauty.
So these are the different animations that you can choose from. Then you can also position your subtitles. So you could do auto. You could set this to the top, to the middle, or to the bottom. You can also enable animation here. In this case, the font pops up. We can change this. So let's play the video.
I started out with just a nail
this is
salon,
fade.
and now we've expanded in the last year to having a hair
Or
salon
slide.
as well. It started with me actually just shadowing the girl.
Let's keep it to pop. And by the way, when you set this to slide, you can also choose right, left, up, or down. On the next part here, we can choose the font. So we have many fonts to choose from. So as you can see here, simply choose the font you'd like, and many fonts that you can choose from here. You could choose the font weight, and here you could choose the font size. Also the text style, if you want to have it bold or maybe some underlined here, you can do that as well. Although if you do underlined, I recommend you to do another setting, which I will show you in a few seconds. You can align the text here. And you could also text transform. Now in the transformations here, you can set the line height. You can also set the scale. Now the best scale is 0.9 here, where you can set the font really high so that it does not go off the screen here. In the next part here, we can add strokes to our video. So now you can see that we have a black stroke, and you can make this bigger as well. So if you like to have a bigger stroke, you can do that. You can also change the color of the stroke. So if you like to have a blue stroke, you can do it as well. Or maybe a white stroke, or whatever color you like. You can simply choose from the picker here and choose the stroke color. I think black looks best. Then also the shadow. If you like to do another shadow here, you can change that as well. So let's say you like to do a little pinky here, you can do that as well. And you can set the offset, you can set the blur here. All those things are advanced features. Now let's change the font color or the background color, the active words background here as well. So let's make this a little bit girly here. Let's make this a little bit more pink. You can see here. Now this word's being highlighted here in pink. And let's set the shadow back to black. And the stroke width to 1. So from here, you can also enable a border bottom. Now what that means, when you set this to 1, 2, 3, you can see that there is a border here behind the text. So it looks like this when you play this.
That used to own the salon space that I'm in, and I shadowed her.
So you could set the colors here also of the active word border. So let's say you want to make this red, you can do this, or you make this pink, you can do this, or that switches back to yellow. Also the inactive colors here, you can change that as well. Let's say you want to change this to black or maybe to pink, you can change that in here. You see that? So as you can see, you can really match your style here, what you like to have. But we're not there yet. The next step here is the progress. So if you like to have a progress bar around your video, you can enable this and choose the color. So now you can see there is a red bar showing you exactly how long the video is playing and when it's finished. So when we play the video,
I was doing everything for everybody,
here.
Running around. And then soon
You see
enough,
that?
she had to take a step back.
So you could choose the color of the bar. So you can make this pink as well if you like to change this to a pink color. You could set the border width. So if you want to make it bigger, you can do that as well. And I'll look at this.
And I kind of filled her shoes. And then I moved on to other things. And when she was ready to let it go,
you can also set this to the top only so that there's a play bar here at the top or at the bottom here, or you can set this around. Once you've done this, you can go to the audio wave. Now, the audio wave is a cool feature that is adding an audio wave here to your content. Look at this.
spot. It definitely didn't come easy, and I'm sure we'll dive into.
You can see this is white right now, but we can match these colors. So let's say here we change this to pink as well to match the rest of our theme. Then we could change the waveline. So let me first set the total bar width here to full screen. And then the height. Look at this. Now we can set the wave frequency here and the wave line. So if you like to have more lines, you do it like this. Also, the wave frequency start index, when you move this more to the left here, look at this. The wave number of samples, look at this. Now let's play the video.
More of those. I'm Elma. I own, obviously, Fina Beauty Co. I started out.
You see that? Now we're having a matching color theme with our business theme. So you could change a lot of things in here. So you could mirror the wave. You could set the bar gap in here. You could set the total bar width. You could set the height here. And also you could center or end here. You can play it like this.
That was just a nail salon, and now we've.
And you could also do the vertical position. So you could set this to the top, to the middle, or to the bottom. And you could set also the radius of the bars in here. So when you put it to the left, you can see there's no radius at all.
I've expanded in the last year to having a hair
So let's do a little bit of radius here. Set this to center and play.
salon as well. It started with me actually.
That looks pretty cool, right? So once we're done with our video, we click on save. And now we click on render. And now our video will be rendered, will be ready, and we can download it by going to our video, go to our specific clip, and once it's done, it will be ready here to download. And that's what RocketClips is all about. It takes all of your long videos and creates high engaging short videos for you.